How to create drop-down menu Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools for selling products online, including customizable website templates, secure payment processing, inventory management, and marketing features. And it also supports businesses of all sizes from small startups to large enterprises and allows selling across multiple channels such as social media, online marketplace, and physical stores. And now to start creating your account, you can simply click the Start Free Trial button on the top right where you need to sign in your account or logging in. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify, and it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But from here to start adding a drop-down menu, let's start first by viewing our online store currently. By clicking this one, you will be directed in our online store, and as you can see, there is no drop-down menu in our main navigation. So now to start adding one, you can simply go back once again on our homepage in here, and after that, just simply click the content option and click the menus. And now from here, just simply click the main menu option. Upon doing so, it will show you that you can start adding here a menu item by clicking Add Menu Item button. And for the label, for example, I'm going to enter shop. Then you could also choose or search the paste link. I'm going to choose the products and I'm going to select all products in here. So I've now successfully create here a new menu items, and to start adding a label, just simply do again the same process of entering here, for example, the men's shoes as a label. And for the links, I'm going to choose the products in here, which is the only one, which is high cut shoes, and click the check boxes and simply drag it on the right side below the shop to add a level. So as you can see, we have here additional level that you can add. For example, another label instead of men's shoes, we have here women's shoes, and do the same process of adding the products. But as you can see, since I already have here one product, I'm just going to select over and over the same product. And then here, I'm going to add, for example, more, which is accessories. So as you can see under the shop, we have here top-down menu with the option of men's shoes, women's shoes, and accessories. So again, just do the same process of adding the product or the collection that you prefer. And from here, you can add a new menu item by clicking again this one. And from here, I'm going to enter instead of shop, I'm then going to enter shirt. And after that, just do again the same process of linking the products of the shirt. And I'm going to enter all products in here to proceed. Or you could also select the specific products. And just to add more level or top-down menu in here like this shop, I'm going to add more a menu item. So just do the same process of entering the label name, for example, men's shirt, and choose the link for the specific product that you want to link in here. And after that, just click the check boxes to proceed and add more in here. So simply drag it on the right side of the shirt below and add here more menu item. So as you can see, we have now successfully add here at least 2 menu items under the shirts. So we have here 2 toggle-ons menu. And now if you're now done, just click the check boxes and click the save button on the top panel or the button below. And now to see the changes, you can simply visit our website to refresh this one. Or from here, to start closing the preview button, just simply do the same process in here, reviewing your online store, and click close preview button below. Upon doing so, you should be able to see here the changes on the top panel or the menu. We have here shops and shirt, in which when you click on it, we have here men's shoes, women's shoes, and accessories. And upon clicking on any of these options, you will be directed on the specific product that you just link into. Same also on the shirt in here that also has a toggle of menu, in which the main purpose of drop-down menu on Shopify store is to simply organize navigation in a clear and user-friendly way. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a drop-down menu on Shopify.